good morning. So today I'm just going to be running errands, trying to get stuff that I need for my trip now, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Okay guys, so I have a bunch of my clothes on the bed, and I'm most likely going to do a, haul video, but when I'm packing, I just like to throw on everything on the bed and then start sorting out from there. Follow me on Instagram where I'll be posting pictures real time of these outfits, and I'll try to get links of all these outfits as well in my description box. So first thing that I will do is maybe sort out my swimwear or bikini first. So this swimwear and bikinis are from Iamdodos. I'll leave everything to the individual pieces down below. I would select the outfits that I actually want to take. I know that it's not ideal for me to take black on vacation, but for some reason I feel like I will somehow pick black. I have this really colorful dress. It's a yellow dress from Iamdodos as well. Really long, and it gives me like that Grecian vibe. This dress was sent to me from Mini London. It's just like a shift dress, really cute. This is a silk cami dress, and it has like a long sleeve. I feel like it would be perfect for like a dinner type situation. This skirt is from Forever 21. I'll take some cover-ups, some flare shorts and flare trousers, because on vacation obviously you need flowy things, and where I'm going to, you guys will find out soon. I definitely need flowy things like this. So of course, what's my trip without Omizu? I'm going to be packing some pieces from the Omizu collection in collaboration with Iamdodos, so quite excited. So after sorting everything out, which I feel like I just didn't do, I feel like I just need to mess it again. So let me just try to sort everything out and I'll show you guys, okay? Hey guys, so I thought I was going to be able to finish like packing earlier in the day, but I couldn't, so I'm back to it now. I literally just left everything on my bed, and I was just like, you know what, when I get back, I would just get back to it. So what I have done is, or what I like to do is, I like to section my clothes. So I have loungewear on one side, I have tops on one side, dresses on another side, and then with like my tops and my skirts, I typically like to pair them. So if for instance I'm going to be wearing this shirt and this skirt, I usually fold them together, so it's easy for me to count that as one outfit. If I'm away for 9 days, I'll typically take about maybe 12 outfits just in case, or 13. So that's what I've currently done. I'm so excited because my items just came in from Ibilola Ogundipe, and I'm really excited. This is like her latest collection, and if you know me, you know I'm a fan. Ooh, I have a brown lounge set. So this is linen, right off my alley. Ooh, guys, you know I've been trying to get into color, and one of the colors I've been loving is matcha green. Ooh, yes! I'm so excited. Oh my god, this is so lush. Honestly, this my packing is even crazy. I literally just changed now because I'm tired. already like 9th time. So I went, I ate, and yes, I'm back, and I've changed to my bonnet for my braid. I already finished packing my clothes, and now I'm going to start with my skincare, makeup, and maybe like hair care and like accessories. So let's jump into that. But before we go there, remember when I showed you guys that I actually went to Miniso to get some stuff? I'm going to show you guys the things that I got from Miniso. First was this neck pillow. I got this mirror. I'm not sure why I actually got this mirror. It just looks cute. Miniso is just one of those places that you go in and you're like, oh, I just want to get one stuff. I actually went in with the plan to just get containers, like travel containers, because every time for some reason I travel, I lose mine. So I almost always have to buy every time I'm going on a trip. And I was like, oh, I don't have a standing mirror. And I saw this. I really hate the color, to be honest. That's it. But I like the fact that I can literally just have this like this. I got this purse. I was looking for a clear bag. I already have a clear bag before, but I wanted another one. And this one has a sling, which I really do not need. But I'll probably use it for my skincare or something like that. The main reason why I went to Miniso was, like I said, clear containers. These ones are really pretty. So in this travel kit, we have spray bottle, I believe, pump bottle, cream bottle, and the second travel kit that I got has just 3 containers. To be honest, I bought this because, I mean, what is not to love about it? They're so pretty. Guys, it literally looks like my skincare is all my skincare. I'm just literally color coordinated. It wasn't planned, yo. It wasn't planned. I don't think I'm gonna take big containers like this. So this is my hyaluronic acid, and I think I would just pour it in here or something like that. Yes. Okay, so these are the things that I absolutely cannot put in another container. My deodorant, sunscreen, my Army Eden elixir, and that's because I just love packaging. I want to take it with me, and then I'll be trying out this oil for the first time. So I have my makeup packed in here. I have my foundation, my skin tint, lip gloss, beauty blender. I did my lashes, so I would not be using anything for my eyelashes. And I'll be doing very soft, dewy glam on holiday, so nothing crazy or nothing serious. So moving on to accessories, I have my earrings, my rings, and my necklaces. I have to figure out which ones I actually want to take and which ones I want to leave. So I just have like a bunch of small pouches like this, and I'll section them into different sections. And then I'll put all of them in this customized pouch that I got from Dinola's birthday. Just put all of them in here. And that is going to be it for my accessories. And then the last is my shower bag. My mom got me this bag when I was getting married, and I'll just put in my wipes. I like to always travel with baby wipes, toothpaste, more shower gel, and my shower cap. So just to run through everything that's here, I have my makeup bag, I have my skincare bag, I have my like shower and skincare things in here, more shower and skincare things, and then my accessories. The last set of things I'm packing will be my sunglasses. I'm just gonna take these Ray-Bans Club Masters, they're my absolute favorite, and then I'll take these ones and these ones. And then I also have my travel adapters. I got these from Miniso, I think. I'll take that. I'll also take my waterproof underwater phone case, and this helps me to record videos or take photos underwater. And so yeah, I'll just put all these things in here. Last set of things that I'll be taking will be my
basket bag, and I got this from Lekki Arts and Crafts Market. To have my all-time favorite hats that I got from Marrakesh. I usually take this everywhere. All my swimwear in here, and just lay the entire bag flat in this compartment. I'll also take my pair of Havianas because it's super important on vacation, and then I'll take these mules just because in case I dress up I need something cute to wear. I'll wear these mules. Okay, so when it comes to my equipment, I have this very tiny pouch, and in this pouch I literally put in my lights. This is like a really small version of the lights I'm currently using. I'm gonna put my vlogging camera and the additional battery, the charger, in here. I'll put an additional SD card in here. I also have my tripod that I use for my vlogging camera. I'm currently using my vlogging camera to film, so I can't show you guys that, but once I'm done filming I'll turn it off and put it in here as well. Section of the bag, I would have my tripod as well, and a couple of other things, but this is it for now.